What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Just Kidding channel. I know I haven't made a video in a while because I got a lot of stuff going on and I don't know, I just don't feel like myself. But I'm gonna just do this and hopefully I feel a little better. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I bought a new exhaust for my car. It came in two different pieces, which is weird. I've never seen it done like that before. But I'm just gonna open these two boxes up and then we'll get to talking about it. And there it is. So as you guys know, well, if you watch my videos, the exhaust I have in my car right now is one whole piece. So from the cat back, it's literally one whole piece. So it was two separate pieces. There was a mid pipe and then the axle back, but I took it to a place to have it fixed and they just welded it. So yeah, pretty stupid. It was held together by a clamp, not flanges, so they just welded it together, and since then it's been fixed in that one position, so it keeps hitting the subframe and hitting the tow hook in the rear. So what I did is I invested in a new exhaust. So this is the ISR exhaust, the newer version that came out. There's no muffler. It's 3-inch from the cat to the end, well, I guess to this middle portion, and then it becomes a 4-inch. So I know a couple people who are running this and they really like it. They said the fitment is really good. If I need to tuck it up more, I can use hose clamps, but I'm really trying to make this car better, so why not add a better exhaust? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn it on. I'm going to let you guys hear it, I guess, and then I'm gonna flip it around, raise it, and then we can get started. Okay, so before we start, I want to go over the quality of this exhaust. It looks really nice, like really good. Like all the welds look really nice. Tubing, everything looks nice. And the added additional hardware, say like, well, from the cat back to the mid pipe, and then the mid pipe to the axle back, and also two gaskets. Not really a big fan of these type of gaskets, but we'll use them for now. And let's just get this old exhaust out and then I'll show you what I meant. But before we start, I tried to use 3M like double-sided at like whatever to try and quiet the noise, but did not work. All right. See how I was saying it was just one piece? And look at these nasty welds. Ooh. No bueno. Alright, so it's out with the old busted. It's gonna be in with the new hotness. it might still hit. See right there? It's touching the exhaust. So that's gonna be an issue for me. It's gonna still have that rattling noise that I was pissed off about before. And this was kind of an expensive fix. It was like 370 bucks. So it was almost $400 with taxes and shipping and stuff. So $400 for it to do the exact same thing that I was trying to prevent. But I guess it's all good. I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Hopefully it doesn't rattle as much. Anyways, while the car's up in the air, I'm gonna start it to see if there are any exhaust leaks, and you'll get to your sound club from there. Then I'm gonna lower it, drive it around, see how it sounds, and then bring the car back. Actually pretty loud. I'm just hoping this is like a cold start thing and it'll go down, because this would mean that muffler actually did a lot. Well, doesn't sound like it has any exhaust leaks, so I'm just gonna lower it and take it out. Alright, I feel like I can already hear the exhaust clanking on that tow hook. Honestly, I don't know why, but I guess it is what it is. didn't realize how much that BS muffler was doing for this car. It is loud now, very loud, and I feel like it doesn't really sound that good. And I think that's partially because this turbo is going out. So, well, I mean, new turbo is coming soon anyways, but I figured I needed a better exhaust because that whole clanking thing was driving me nuts. And once the sound deadening is done in this car, there will be a lot less vibration, so I probably might not hear the exhaust as much. But yeah, the car is like stupid loud. I did some wide open pulls when I was in Mexico. It sounds nice. It sounds nice in the higher RPMs. Like, it sounds really good. But low, like driving around, doesn't really sound that good. Whatever. So when I get the turbo, switch the turbo, we're gonna hear how it sounds then, because you know Garrett turbos have that crazy spool, and you can also hear the turbo through the exhaust. So I guarantee you that will make the exhaust sound a lot better. But from right now, the turbo that's on the car is pretty crappy. So I can't really. It was smoking like crazy, so I can't really do this exhaust any justice. So yeah, until the next video, I appreciate it that I've been getting a lot of, well, not really a lot, but like some subscribers here and there. So just continue that, you know what I mean? That's how I know to continue to make videos. I mean, I'm gonna make them regardless, but it's good to see that people are coming to the channel, watching the videos more. So please like, comment. I can't talk today. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.